Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to set the passcode protection or turn on the passcode protection on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the watch face, and once you see it, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the passcode, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we can enable the passcode by tapping on turn passcode on rather, and now we can enter the passcode we want to use to unlock our watch. I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's gonna tell me that it's easy to guess and I should use something else, but I'm just gonna use it for now. Re-enter it because we need to confirm the passcode, like that. And once you enter the passcode, it will be set. And once it's set, you will see the option turn passcode off and change passcode. Also, you'll be able to scroll down and here you can turn on or off the option which is called simple passcode. And if you turn it off, you will be able to set the passcode that is more than 4 digits long. Because simple passcode is only 4 digits, but if you turn off this option, you will be able to use quite more. Okay, as you can see, the watch locked because the screen turned off, and to unlock it, we need to enter the passcode like we set it up, like that. And now we can go back to settings. Also, we can turn on the option to erase data. If you turn this option on, basically, if somebody enters the passcode wrong 10 times, the watch will wipe. Basically, it will remove all of the data from the watch. And another option you can enable is risk detection. If this option is enabled and you're using the passcode, the watch will detect if you're wearing it or not, and if you're not wearing it, and it will automatically lock, basically. So if the screen turns off, it will lock the watch automatically if this option is enabled. Okay. Of course, if you want to turn off the passcode, you can tap on turn passcode off. And if you want to change the passcode, you can tap on change passcode. To turn off the passcode, tap on the button right here, then enter the current passcode to confirm, and it's gonna be turned off like this. Okay, and that's how you set or turn on the passcode protection on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.